Hi and welcome to a new video on my channel. Over here we have the GA-900, the latest GA issue of the Gshock Casio line. I'm going to show you how to set the time and date, and let's get straight to the point. But before that, I'm going to move the hands out of the way so you have better and easier access to the watch settings. So pressing the illumination and mode button afterwards, you will move the hands out of the way so you have better access to your analog and the digital displays. In the standard timekeeping mode, hold and press the adjust button until you hear the beep, and there it is. So currently we are in the mode of setting your home city. We can see that the Tokyo is flashing on this digital subdial over here. That is your current time zone or your current home city. Now to shuffle between the home cities, press reset or start button. So here we go. My time zone is Paris time zone, and I'm gonna press one of those buttons until I get to the Paris time zone. And there it was. So one press of the button gets us back to the Paris time zone. Once we are done with setting our time zone, pressing the mode button once will shift us to setting the DST or the daylight saving time mode. On this part over here you see that the DST is flashing, so currently that means that we are setting the DST value, and the HND is flashing also. That means the hands are out of the way. Currently the DST in my time zone is off, but by pressing one of those two buttons over here will indicate that the you can shift between on or off, and automatically you can see the time is changing. The DST time setting in my time zone is currently on, so I'm gonna leave it at on. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the 12 or 24-hour time format. That is the representation of the digital hour and minutes value. I'm gonna shuffle it to 24 hours by pressing the start button. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the seconds. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset the value by pressing the start button. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the hour value. You can increase the value of hour by pressing the reset, or decrease the value by pressing the start button. So using the reset and start, you can increase or decrease the value of seconds. The procedure is exactly the same for setting the minutes. Next press of the mode gets us to setting the minutes. Next press of the year gets us to setting the year value. Again, I'm repeating myself, but to increase or decrease the value of year and hours and minutes and day and month is exactly the same. So pressing the reset or start button, you will increase the value. Each press of the mode button shuffles us to the different setting, and we come to the setting the button operation tone. The key inscribed on the lower subdial means that the button operation tone is turned on, and by pressing the start button you can turn it off, and it says mute. Again, pressing it gets us to on. Next press of the mode button gets us to illumination duration. That is the duration of the LED that turns on when you press the illuminate button. 1 stands for 1.5 seconds, and when I press the start it will indicate LT3. LT3 stands for 3-second illumination duration, and I'm gonna get it back to 1. Next press of the mode button gets us to beginning of the procedure and setting our time zone. So basically we have ran through the settings of the watch. Once you're done with all of your settings, simply press the adjust button, and the watch will implement all those values you have previously set, and the hands will move to the correct hour and minute display. That would be another video. Thank you very much for watching. Please give a like, subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.